Welcome to Sairam Online Learning Center. In this lecture number 2, we will discuss about ones and twos complement. Usually, this complement is applied when we need to do subtraction using addition. Because in general, addition technique is quite easier compared to that of the subtraction, which involves borrowing methodology. The arithmetic operations in a computer, that is in its arithmetic and logic unit of a computer, are done by using the binary numbers rather than using the decimal numbers. First, we'll see the basic operations with the binary numbers. The four basic operations involves binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. We will see an example of each. First, I have considered the binary addition as the 15 plus 10. So here you can see that. So 15 plus 10, I have changed that number 15, that is a decimal number, into its binary equivalent by using either writing in the form of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, or you can go for successive division by means of 2. And writing the answer from the downwards to the upwards, we will get the resultant of the decimal 15 as 1111. Similarly, I have computed for 10 and I have added both. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is generally 2. In binary, 2 means 1 0. So I have kept the sum as 0 and I have taken the carry as 1. And again this carry 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is 1 0. So 0. Again the carry is 1. Now 1 1 1. In general, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The equivalent of 3 in binary is 1 1. So I have placed the value of 1 1. So I have added, and this answer I have again calculated, and it find out that this value is 25. Then binary subtraction, the same, one more example I have considered, 13 minus 9. So I have converted this 13 to binary, 9 to binary, and I have subtracted and I got the answer and I have checked whether it is 4. Similar for binary multiplication, I have considered two numbers, 13 multiplied with 11. So 13 I am converting to binary, 11 I am converting to binary, and I am doing the multiplication. The normal multiplication procedure which we follow for general decimal multiplication steps I have followed, and I have added up all those results, shifted for each of the digits multiplication value, and finally I have added and I have verified whether the final result is same as that of 13 into multiplied with 11. 13 multiplied with 11, 143. My final result of the binary, I have checked with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, each place value for all those digits, and I have added all those, and the final result is 143. Next, for binary division, I have considered an example, 25 divided by 5. So 25 I have considered converted into binary, 5 decimal I have converted into binary, and I have done the division process. So usual division procedure which we follow for decimal numbers. So here I got the remainder as 0 and I got the quotient as 101, which this 101 represents the value of 5. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So these are the basic operations regarding the binary numbers. So next is we shall move on to the complement. So I have already told you the need for complement is subtraction can be accompanied by adding the complement of the subrahand to the minuend. So general we will have the subtraction as a minus b, where this a is called as the minuend and b is called as the subrahand. So a minus b can be interpreted as minuend minus subrahand. So this minuend minus subrahand can be written as minuend plus 2's complement or 1's complement of subrahand. Okay, so there we are going to apply the complement. So first of all, we will discuss about ones complement. So in that ones complement, we will have two cases. So any subtraction, we will have two cases. Likewise, in ones complement, we have two cases, whether it is larger number minus smaller number or smaller number minus larger number. When it is larger number minus smaller number, what are the steps we have to follow? So determine the ones complement of the smaller number, add this to the larger number, remove the carry and add it to the result. So once again we want to remove the carry and add that particular carry from that position and add that to the answer. So this carry is called as the end around carry. So this is a procedure to be followed when we go for ones complement for subtracting larger number minus smaller number. So here I have considered an example for that. So subtract 1010 from 1111 to the base 2. So here this is nothing but subtract. This value is represented in binary. When it converted to decimal, it is 10. So from 15. So subtract 10 from 15. So first of all, we want to read the question clearly. Subtract 10 from 15, which means that 15 minus 10. Okay, so 15 is the minuend, 10 is the subtrahend. So how this can be accomplished? By using this ones complement method. So 15 minus 10, general subtraction, we can go for subtraction by means of general method and we will get the resultant. Whereas coming on to the ones complement technique, here we will have 15 can be represented as 1111 and then subtract by 1010. So I have taken the ones complement of that particular number. Okay, so ones complement is nothing but inversion operation. So converting ones to zeros and zeros to ones can be called as the ones complement. So 1010 I have converted into 0101. Okay. So here minuend minus subtrahend is written as minuend plus ones complement of subtrahend, and I am adding those results. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1, then 1 plus 1, and then again 1 borrow, so 1 0, and you can have the carry, extra carry 1. As in the procedure, this extra carry has to be once again added up here. So this extra carry needed to be added up here and final resultant is 0101, which means that 15 minus 10 we will get the answer of 5. So for the second case, smaller number minus larger number, I have considered an example 8 minus 10. So what are the steps to be followed in general? We want to determine ones complement of the larger number. Add this to the smaller number. The answer is ones complement of the true result and it is opposite in sign and there is no carry. So this is a general procedure to be followed. So direct method, by using decimal numbers only we can go for subtraction, and in the case of ones complement 8 minus 10, I am writing the value of 8 in the case of decimal 1000, and for the case of the 10 it is 1010. I want to convert into ones complement, so it is taken to be the inversion value, so 0101. So here you see that I am writing the value of 0101 and I am adding those. Okay, so 1 0 plus 0 0 1 1. So this here add this to the smaller number. Answers, you want to take the ones complement of the true result and opposite sign, and there is no carry. Yes, right, there is no carry. This I want to take ones complement, which means that again I want to do inversion. So 1101 என்னவா மாறும் 0010 மாறும். I want to include the negative sign. So this value is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Hope you are clear about how you want to go for subtracting larger number minus smaller and smaller number minus larger one for the case of ones complement. So this is a general procedure and this is with an example. Next we shall move on to 2's complement. So subtraction using addition, the exact answer we want to have fewer manipulations also. So 2's complement can be written as 1's complement plus 1. Okay, so this is a formula to find the 2's complement. 2's complement is we want to have the 1's complement and it has to be added up with 1. So in the case of 2's complement also, we will have larger number minus smaller number and smaller number minus larger number. So first of all, we'll see larger number minus smaller number. So what are the steps to be followed? Find the 2's complement of the smaller number, add this to the larger number and omit the carry if always a carry exists. So this is a general procedure for converting. Now we will see an example. So here, see here, I have considered the same example which I have taken in the case of 1's complement. So subtract 1010 from 1111, which means that subtract 10 from 15. I have taken the same example because we need to understand clearly how we get the same answer, but what are the things we do in 1's complement and what are the steps we followed in 2's complement. Okay, so normal subtraction, direct subtraction, you can go for decimal number subtraction, then you can write the answer as 15 minus 10 is 5. So whereas coming on to 2's complement, first is we want to write min1 minus subrahand. So min1 plus 2's complement of subrahand. So min1 is 1111, that has to be written here. Then minus 1010's 2's complement we want to take. So 1010's 1's complement is 1010 is a number. When you take 1's complement, we do inversion operation. So 0101. Again in this 1's complement, we want to add 1. Okay, so that is the formula. 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. So when you add 1, we get the answer as 0110. So that is the 2's complement of 10, that is 1010. Okay, so now you see here we will have the first value 1111. It has to be added with 2's complement of the result and you add all those values. So you omit the carry and hence the final resultant value. When you omit the carry, the final resultant value is 0101. Okay, so similarly for the case of smaller number minus larger number, I have considered the same example 8 minus 10 which I have considered then. So determine 2's complement of larger number, add 2's complement to the smaller number, that is no carry, then result is in 2's complement form and you want to change the sign, and to get an answer in the true form take 2's complement and change the sign. Okay, so direct subtraction you can go through only decimal notation, whereas in the case of 2's complement 8 minus 10 can be written as value of the value of 10, that is want to subtract 8 from, you want to subtract 8 minus 10. Okay, so here we will have the value of 8 in the top, so 1000, 10 I want to take the 2's complement. So 1010, when I take the 1's complement it is 0101, 2's complement it is 0110. So I have placed the 0110 here and I am adding. So answer, we don't have any carry, and once again it has to be taken the 2's complement along with a negative sign. So once I take the 2's complement once again for this, that is 1's complement will be 0001, 2's complement will be 0010 and the sign should be negative. Hence the answer is minus 2. So this is how we can perform subtraction for the case of larger number minus smaller or smaller number minus larger in case of 2's complement. So in a short recap, comparing the 1's and 2's complement, 1's complement can be easily obtained by using inverter alone, whereas here we want to have 1's complement plus you want to add 1. In general, in the case of 1's complement, it requires two operation, inversion and arithmetic operation. Because in the case of 1's complement, when there exists a carry, we want to add that carry to the end result. Hence, it requires arithmetic operation. Whereas this is not the case in the case of 2's complement. Here only arithmetic operations are involved. So 1's complement is generally used for inversion operation, whereas 2's complement can be used for arithmetic operations. So this is the general comparison for the case of 1's as well as the 2's complement. So next we will see about 1's 2's complement, addition and subtraction. So though this slide may look clumsy, it gives a clear understanding of 2's complement, addition and subtraction. In the left side we have 2's complement addition. and in the right side we have the 2's complement subtraction. So in the 2's complement addition, we consider 4 cases, whereas in the case of addition, we will consider the two numbers A and B as augend and addend. So here in this cases, when both augend and addend are positive, and second case augend is positive, addend is negative. Third case addend is positive, augend is negative. Fourth case is both augend and addend are negative numbers. So for all the 4 cases, we will check how we want to perform 2's complement addition. So this is the this is the left hand side of this slide. It deals with the 2's complement addition, whereas in the other side, that is right hand side, we will discuss about 2's complement subtraction for the 4 cases, that is both the numbers are positive, one number is positive and smaller negative number, positive number and larger negative number, and both the numbers are negative. Okay, so first we will discuss about how we are going to perform this 2's complement addition for the case of two positive numbers. Okay, so when you want to go for this addition, you want to represent the number given in decimal in terms of 8 bits. So please keep this in mind, 8 bit. In that 8 bit, 7 bit represents a number and the 1 bit represents the sign bit. If it is a positive number, sign bit is 0. If it is a negative number, sign bit is 1. That is the procedure to be followed for using this 2's complement arithmetic operations. So first we will see the first one, when two numbers are positive. So when two numbers are positive, here I have considered number plus 29 and plus 19. Okay, so plus 29 plus 19, and this is the augend and addend. So usual method, by using either successive division or by using 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 representation, I am representing 29. So 29 will require only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is a representation of 29. But I have said earlier that we want to represent the number by 7 bit. Hence I am appending extra 2 zeros in the leftmost side. Okay, since it is a positive number, sign bit is 0. Similarly for 19 can be represented as 10011. So here I want to represent by 7 bits, hence I am appending 2 zeros in the left side. Since it is a positive number, I am having the sign bit as 0. I am doing the normal addition operation. Okay, so normal addition operation செஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு அப்பயும் sign bit 0ல இருக்கு, which means that it is a positive number. I am again converting this number into its decimal equivalent to check whether it is right or wrong. So this 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, I am checking for the value of decimal and I get the answer as plus 48, which means that my representation, my addition representation is right. That is, I have considered the number 29 as well as the 19 and this has been added and I got the result of plus 48. Okay, so second one is positive augend and negative addend. Here I have considered the numbers plus 39 and minus 22. Plus 39, no issues, you can convert into binary. The binary will be represented as 100111, which means that it requires only 6 digits to 6 bits to represent the binary 39 binary representation for the 39 decimal number. Whereas here I want to consider that I want to have 7 bits, so I am adding extra 1 zeros here. Since it is a positive number plus 39, the sign bit is 0. Is it clear? So this is how I am representing plus 39. Similarly, I want to represent minus 22. Now please understand how I am going to represent this minus 22. So first of all, for 22 I am going to calculate the binary representation I using the successive division here and I got the answer as 10110. So I represent only by means of 5 numbers. 10110 is a representation of 22. Hence I want to represent as negative 22. This 10110 5 numbers மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. As I have said earlier, I want to consider it as a 7 digits. So I am adding extra zeros. So I am adding 2 zeros, 00, then followed by 10110. So 7 bitல அந்த 22 represent பண்ணிட்டேன். மறுபடியும் I am going for taking 2's complement. Okay, since it is a negative number, I am representing that positive number by 7 digit and I am going to take 2's complement. So when I take 1's complement, 1101001 is a 1's complement, and 2's complement I want to add 1 with that. So 1101010. So you see that this is a negative minus 22. So in the minus 22 தான் நான் இப்போ இங்கே place பண்ணியிருப்பேன். 1101010. Since it is a minus negative number, the sign bit is set to 1. Is it clear? Okay. So to minus 22, how you can represent? Plus 22, consider the value பைனரியா மாத்துங்க. அதை 5 பிட்ல ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணா போதும்னு வரும். பட் ஐ ஹவ் செட் யூ தட் we need to represent by 7 bits. அதனால எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 2 zeros append பண்ணிக்கிறோம் 22ல. Then you want to consider convert into the 2's complement form because it is minus 22. So 1's complement எடுக்கிறேன், then 1 add பண்றேன். So that value is called as minus 22. Sign bit 1 bit append பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Okay, then a usual addition I am doing. Here the sign bit is 0, hence I am omitting the carry, and here the answer is 001 0001. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 போட்டோம்னா 2 power 4 plus 2 power 0. 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 0 is 1, 16 plus 1 is 17. Since the sign bit is 0, it is plus 17. So I got the exact result of plus 17. Okay, so third case is positive addend and negative augment. Positive addend, no issues. Here plus 29, whereas you can have the negative augment, so minus 47. So how you can consider this minus 47? 47 க்கு முதல்ல என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Binary representation கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன். I am going for successive division and I calculated the result as 10 followed by 1111. Okay, 47. So here I am representing by 6 bits. So 6 bitsல என்னால 47 represent பண்ண முடியுது. பட் எனக்கு எத்தனை பிட் வேணும்? 7 bitல represent பண்ணணும். அதனால எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒரு 0 ஃப்ரண்ட்ல ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. ஓகே, ஸோ நெகட்டிவ் மைனஸ் 47ங்கிறதுனால இதுக்கு நான் 2's complement எடுக்கணும். ஸோ 1's complement எடுக்கிறேன். 1010000, then 1010001. So okay, so this is the minus 47. So 1010001. This is the minus 47 represented by 7 bit. Since it is a negative number, I want to have the sign bit of 1. Okay, plus 29, no issues. Usual procedure, sign bit is set to 0. You will represent by means of plus 29. Add all those number, you get the sign bit as 1. So sign bit 1 வந்துருச்சுனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Once again you want to take the 2's complement and you want to have the negative sign. So here the answer is 1101110. So you see here 1101110 is answer. I got it. I want to take 2's complement once again. So 1's complement எடுக்கணும். 0 so 1's 0 மாத்துறேன். 001 0001. Next I want to add 1. So 001 0010. Okay, so this is a final result and I am adding 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So 16 plus 2 power 1, 2 power 1 is 2. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Since it is having a sign bit is 1, I am putting the negative sign. It is minus 18. Okay, next for two negative numbers, minus 32, minus 44. Yes, the usual procedure. Find the value for 32 and you can represent by means of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 6 digits represent பண்ணிரலாம். But I want to have the 7 bits. So I am adding extra 1 0 in front of 32 and that has to be converted into 2's complement form and you want to append the sign bit. Similarly, minus 44 க்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன். I am getting the answer as 101100 and that has to be given here and once again this value has to be converted into its 2's complement and you want to append a sign bit. So add all those numbers, sign bit 1 வருது, carry 1 வருது. So when you get the sign bit as 1, usually you want to take 2's complement once again for this result. Okay, so 011 0 1 0 0 க்கு 2's complement எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா 1's complement எடுக்கும்போது 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 வரும். 2's complement again 1 add பண்ண போறோம். So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 வரும். When you find this resultant value, it is 64 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 76, and you have the sign bit of 1, hence it is minus 76. Okay, so how you can add the 4 cases of numbers by using the 2's complement. So the next part is 2's complement subtraction. So in that we will have the 4 cases. So first case is that we will have the 2 positive numbers. So we'll have the numbers as 28 minus 19. So 28 minus 19 can be written as 28 plus 2's complement of 19. So 28 minus 19. So 28 I am taking the usual part. The same procedure how you are representing here. Minus 19 அதே மாதிரிதான் 19 க்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So 19 க்கு when I am 19 க்கு when I am going to calculate the value 19 I am going to calculate the value. I am dividing by means of successive division by 2. I got the answer as 10011. So 10011 is a 19 and it has only 5 bits. 7 bits மாத்தணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அதனால first 2 zeros append பண்ணியிருக்கேன். That is 19. That is next 1's complement. Next I want to find the 1's as well as the 2's complement. Then that value has to be appended with number 1. Okay. So final result I got is 110 1101. So 110 1101 and the negative numberங்கிறதுனால 1 append பண்ணிட்டேன். இது எல்லாத்தையும் add பண்ணியிருக்கேன். And the sign bit is 1 and the carry will be omitted. Hence the answer is 9. So 28 minus 19 is answer is 9. Okay, second case is positive number minus smaller negative number. So here plus 39 minus 21. So smaller negative number. Okay, plus 39 usual procedure போட்டு sin beta 0 னு வச்சுக்க போறோம். Minus 21 the same. I want to convert 21 and I want to make it as a 7 bit. I want to take 2's complement. I want to fix the sign bit. So here I will have the resultant value. So here the plus 39 minus 21 can be written as 39 minus of minus 21 is plus 21. So you are going to add and you get the resultant value of 60. Okay, so third case is positive number and larger negative number. So here plus 19 minus 43 I am considering. So 19 minus of minus 43, subtraction. Two numbers I have considered are 19 and minus 43. I want to go for subtraction here. So 19 minus of minus 43 is 19 plus 43. So 19 plus 43 I am considering. Both will have the sign bit as 0. Simply adding those result and I will get the resultant as plus 62. Okay, so last case is both the numbers are negative. So I am considering the number minus 57 and minus 33. So the same 57 I want to find the numbers representation in case of binary and that is represented by 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. I want to convert to 7 digits, take 2's complement and I want to find the value of minus 57. Then similarly I want to find the value of minus 33 will become plus 33. Okay, so minus 33 பார்க்க வேணா I want to see for plus 33 and I want to add this. So add பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா sign bitல மறுபடியும் 1 வருது. So இதுக்கு நான் மறுபடியும் I want to take the 2's complement and I am taking the 2's complement and workouting on that and I get the final result as minus 24. Okay, so plus 57 minus 33 will get the resultant value minus 57 minus 33. These are the two numbers and I am going for 2's complement subtraction and I got the resultant value as minus 24. Okay, so hope the slide is very useful. This slide provided a clear idea on 2's complement, addition and subtraction for all the 4 cases of the numbers involving A and B. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.